the war on family farms. Who is really benefiting? For generations, family farms have been the backbone of America. Yet many farmers argue that government policies have made it increasingly difficult for small operations to survive. Debates continue over tariffs, trade agreements, environmental regulations, and labor costs. Inflation, subsidies, and corporate consolidation are also major concerns. Supporters argue these policies are designed to strengthen American agriculture, while critics say they often place additional burdens on independent farmers. Meanwhile, family farmers report facing rising costs for fuel, fertilizer, equipment, insurance, and land. While profit margins continue to shrink as fewer family farms remain, a growing question is being asked across rural America. Are government policies protecting family farms or accelerating the rise of large corporate agriculture? What do you think? Is the current administration helping America's farmers, or are family farms being left behind?